Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I am going to use the escaping cut files as my cut file. It was released back during Virginia's birthday month in March of this year, so it's been out for a little while, but I wanted to escape and actually make the balloons have like lines. So I got out my trusty little sewing machine, and I drew lines, and it took me a minute to get it done. So in the meantime, while I was getting that part done too, I took this part here and I took all of the little balloons and put them back in the same spots that they were after I backed them. So I'm using two older collections. For me, they're old. They may not be as old for you guys, but for me, they're pretty old because I don't keep a lot of old stuff in my stash. I try to use that up first and then go through it that way. But this is a Rosie Studio collection, and all I have left is the paper. For some odd reason, I don't have any more of the embellishments, which is odd because I have a big pack of paper. But the collection from Jen Hedfield, the pool party, and one of the other ones actually match. So as you can see here, I'm taking my sewing machine. I know you can't really see underneath of it, but I'm just going to town on stitching, and as you pull them off, you're starting to see them. I don't put all of this in. I can't wait until we get moved into our new home and I can be able to set up two different types of cameras and put it together so that my videos, you can watch more of what I'm doing so that it makes more sense. But there's the end result. I absolutely love the way it is. So all of the papers that I backed, now I am going to put them behind my paper. I should say my photo. So my photo is one of the waterfalls that we went to go see during lockdown. I'm still working on some of my lockdown stuff. I think I only have this collection or like these sets of photos left, and I'm just trying to get through everything for that respect. I know that we're coming up to where you will see a lot more winter and December style layouts for me, so all of those will be done. I do have a bunch of filming that I'm going to get done. I am on Thanksgiving break, and my district actually gives us off the whole week. So it starts today, which I'm filming this on a Saturday. This goes up like somewhat throughout the week while I'm on vacation. I get the Saturday, or I start the Saturday, and then I don't go back until the 29th of November. And that is just, I just need that. I needed that break. But I do have to say on Friday, so when I did this voiceover, it is Saturday after the Friday that I did this. If you follow me on social media, I posted a couple of photos of one of the best days that we've had so far in third grade, and my team decided to do up a carnival, and they had to build their carnival. So they had to start working with their carnival, build and do some things throughout the month of November. And then at the end result was that they were able to have a carnival. They had $5 to spend. We bought some like plastic tickets, and they were able to do that. And the donut holes, let me tell you, I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to give you a trick. It works out fantastic. The kids loved it. That was like the best thing ever. And so what happened was that the donut holes, you take the donut hole, you take a popsicle stick or a stick of some sort, put it in the middle, and then take your frosting from like if you were going to do a cake and frost it and put it around, and it like went over like hotcakes. We had so many donuts left over, it was insane. Or not left over, they devoured them. We didn't have any left. I don't think we did. If we did, it was very like few left. But we had freeze pops, and we had juice boxes, and we had popcorn, and we had ring pops and just, carnival type stuff. And they got to do a STEM project, which they got to do that were like bees, and the kids absolutely loved that. It was just an overall fun little thing right before Thanksgiving break. And let me tell you, there were more parents that said that is the most that their kid has ever talked about coming home was doing this. So it made my heart sing, because our team really put in a lot of work and effort to get this done. So here I am. I'm just taking these collections and I'm placing these little bits and bobs. I put that little cheetah down there with the flowers. And here I am. I'm going to take this little hedgehog, and it works out perfect. I'm putting it behind the flower, or behind the balloon, and I think it works out well. I love how this actually turns out. I added some birds on there, and I added some more flowers, and I'm just working on adding up little bits and bobs of things around the corners. And then that is pretty much it. Make sure you go check out, everybody. Make sure you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. Go look this one up. December Daily. And all of the fun stuff is just around the corner. Remember, Black Friday's coming up. We have Black Friday sales. I am telling you, get into the group. If you have not get into the group. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I am super close to my 3,000 subscriber. I would love, 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 love to have you. I am wanting to do the 3,000 subscriber in January, and I never disappoint. It's always a fantastic time. So make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm going to leave you with the black lining that I do around the edges. You can't quite see it, but in real life you can. It actually turns out really well. I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful Thanksgiving or the holiday just in general. And you guys all stay safe. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye.